Wouldn't it be great waking up to the smell of your favorite coffee, perfectly prepared by a barista? That's now possible with the simple tap of your phone. This is Arist, the most intelligent coffee maker. It simulates everything your favorite barista does to make you a perfect cup of coffee every time. All the drinks from premium coffee houses and even signature drinks by award-winning baristas from the world over. Arist can make it all. That's because its innovative brewing system, enhanced with a precision flat burr grinder, built-in milk frother, and dual syrup dispenser, can accurately simulate the skills of a professional barista. So you can explore coffees from around the world in the comfort of your own home. For the ultimate convenience, Arist is equipped with cup recognition technology. Simply place your favorite cup onto the drip tray and it will automatically brew your favorite coffee, even without your phone. The Arist app features a user-friendly interface where you can purchase a wide variety of coffee beans from around the world. Download coffee recipes by renowned baristas for the specialty beans you love, or for the beans available at your local supermarket. You can fine-tune the recipes with a simple swipe and enjoy your coffee just the way you like it. Brewing the perfect cup of coffee requires a lot of experience, practice, and testing. The brewing process is so intricate that each step needs to be performed consistently and accurately to extract the best flavors every time. After years of research and development, our dedicated hard work and technological breakthroughs have set a new industry standard. Arist, the perfect coffee solution, is here.
Arist is an intelligent coffee maker. It gives you complete control over each element of the brewing process, from fine-tuning grind size and water temperature to knowing exactly when to pull the shot. Baristas from around the world can now turn their knowledge into coffee recipes and share them with you via the Arist mobile app. So wherever you are and however you like your coffee, Arist can be your personal barista, helping you take your coffee experience to a whole new level.